Welcome to Techtopia X.
This is the SKYROVER X1 Fly More Combo. If you have been looking for a lightweight, high-performance drone that delivers pro-level visuals without the hassle of registration, this is the one to watch. The SKYROVER X1 comes in at under 249 grams, meaning you get freedom to fly with fewer restrictions while still enjoying features usually found only in premium flagship drones. And again, remember to check out your product link in the description below right out of the box. The design stands out with its sleek yellow finish and compact foldable body. This makes it perfect for travelers, hikers, bikers, and content creators who want something easy to carry but powerful enough to handle serious work. Despite the small size, the drone houses a 1/1.32-inch CMOS sensor, which dramatically boosts clarity, low light performance, and dynamic range. One of the highlights of the SKYROVER X1 is its ability to take 8K photos. These ultra-high-resolution shots capture details you can zoom into effortlessly. Whether you're shooting landscapes, forests, city skylines, or travel memories, the images come out clean and sharp with incredible color accuracy. For video creators, the drone records in 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR support. This means smoother motion, vibrant color, and footage ready for both cinematic edits and social media output. For low-light shooting, the SKYROVER X1 features a super night mode. This allows the drone to maintain clarity with minimal noise, even in darker environments. Late evening flights, city nightscapes, and outdoor events all turn out impressive with this mode working behind the scenes. Another major advantage of this drone is the incredible transmission distance. The SkyBridge system delivers up to 50,000 feet of stable, interference-resistant transmission, even in urban environments with multiple signal sources. This ensures smoother live feeds at 1080p and 60 frames per second, helping you frame your shot with precision from long distances. If you're new to flying or just want added peace of mind, the drone includes full 360-degree obstacle sensing. It detects objects in every direction and helps prevent collisions during takeoff, landing, and navigation through tight spaces. This is very useful for beginners who want safety features without losing creative freedom. The SKYROVER X1 also includes advanced tracking capabilities. Whether you're biking, running, or filming moving vehicles, the drone can lock onto the subject and maintain smooth tracking. The Smart Spotlight enhances subject visibility, letting you shoot dynamic footage at different angles while maintaining clean focus. That a standout feature for social media creators is vertical shooting. This mode captures tall structures like waterfalls, skyscrapers, or lifestyle scenes in a full-screen vertical format that is perfect for reels and short-form content without needing to crop. When it comes to flight time, the Fly More Combo gives you 3 lithium polymer batteries. Altogether, they provide 96 minutes of total flight time. This means more recording, more exploration, and more opportunities to capture the perfect scene without constantly recharging. Each battery is optimized for stable power delivery, and the drone operates efficiently even in level 5 wind conditions, offering smooth stability for outdoor flights. The included remote controller connects quickly once the phone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. You simply short press the power button and then long press to activate the controller. The controls are responsive, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, making it easy to get comfortable within minutes. The Fly More Combo includes the drone, remote controller, 3 batteries, screwdriver, USB cable, and carrying accessories. Everything is organized for travel, storage, and long shooting sessions. With its combination of 8K stills, 4K 60 HDR video, long-range transmission, lightweight build, and obstacle sensing, the SKYROVER X1 delivers one of the most complete photography experiences in this weight class. If you want a drone that is compact yet powerful, beginner-friendly yet professional, and ideal for both cinematic and content creation workflows, the SKYROVER X1 Fly More Combo is an excellent choice. And again, remember to check out your product link in the description below.